can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, I hear you. Uh,
Okay.
okay, so
There's no
how,
marijuana being consumed here. This is a family-friendly channel where we don't do drugs because that would get us banned.
oh, yeah, okay, okay, okay. So,
Are you? Are you? What's the count?
Yes.
yeah, okay, Steve, so how was the day?
Everything's good. How are you?
Yeah, everything is good also here, and but I was, I'm just practicing English, so I was trying to searching to get the foreigner since last morning, but I didn't get anyone even. I got once a girl from United States, but I didn't get her sound as well. That's why I could not keep continue. That is, now I got it. I'm really so happy and so thankful.
You have birds?
Oh, yeah.
I hear birds.
My mom's have birds, chicken, rooster. Just
Show me your birds.
oh, so hold on, please. Hold on.
Oh,
Yeah. Let's see.
wow. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So beautiful. My mom have so many parts, just like this, and duck, baby duck also. The duck. Yeah.
Aww, he's so
Yeah,
cute.
it's so cute, and they're about to will get laid for egg within a few minutes. So, may I leave it?
Yeah, you can put him back. He seems upset.
Okay, I leave it, no problem. Anyway, thank you so much. Look, my mom just look after them very well, and we also do a little business with our chicken bar. It's a good to just to have with my
Oh,
family
well,
even.
eggs.
Yeah, we can. It's can you hear the sound? Rooster sound?
Yeah, I can hear it.
The roaster
Yeah,
is really
he's
so.
loud.
The roaster one is really so big, so big.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure he is. He sounds big.
Yeah. Okay, so but I want to ask just a question. Many people just asking to me, Gazi, you are talking to the foreigner, American, British, or so many countries I saw, but can you ask to the Western and European people that when you get the propose from any other boy for uh, friendship, good relationship, so what kind of activities, what kind of characters do you follow for a boy?
What do I look for in a guy?
Yeah,
I think I look for a funny guy. I look for somebody who's charming, cute, who's just like natural. You know what I mean? Just
yeah.
like naturally converses with me well. We get along.
Oh, okay. Just you look for funny guy and cute. Just should be natural. Okay.
Yeah, everybody likes a funny guy, so yep, go with that.
Yeah, for sure. How funny your boyfriend is.
He's really funny.
Okay. Okay.
Not
Okay.
toilet.
He's trying to talk.
Okay. So like it and
Well, I'll see you soon.
you, uh,
Bye.
okay. Thank you so much. See you soon. Okay. Bye.
Of course, see you soon. Bye.